Hey collectors, here is a look at the reissued Two-Face from McFarlane Toys, and I would like to thank Toy Town for this. Link in the description below, check them out. At the back of the box, we only get the animated picture of Two-Face and no other information what will be next released by McFarlane Toys. And here is what we get from this package. We have the cartoon cell reproduction inside the box plus an action figure stand. And the figure comes in a plastic tray with all of these accessories. And he is missing his gun. And another thing is also missing, that is his coin. The figure is held by plastic straps, so to safely remove them, I suggest you cut them at the back. And remember that missing coin, it is sculpted on one of the hand without any color. Out of the plastic tray, Harvey Dent or Two-Face stands at 6 inches tall and has the basic articulation like all the other figures in the Batman the Animated Series line. The bad thing about this figure is that McFarlane used the old mold where you can see the pinholes in front of both thighs. And the other thing which also bums me out with this reissue of this figure is that it no longer has his signature machine gun. And here is a look at the backside of the figure. Apparently, the quality control of McFarlane for the paint application for this figure is not as good as we can all see, that there are some broken lines that separates the black and the white. The paint application on the head sculpt is a little bit off, especially when it comes to the hairline. But with the other damaged part of Harvey Dent's face, the paint app is acceptable in some ways. Like all other Batman the Animated Series figure, Two-Face could not stand on its own, and though it has basic articulation, it will be very hard for you to put in some action poses without the use of any action figure stand. So I suggest you use what McFarlane included in the package so as not to risk your figure from falling down on your display. There are protruding parts on Harvey Dent's hair, especially on the damaged part of his face, so be careful when you're displaying it, because if that thing hits the ground of your display area, it might break off. The bag that Harvey Dent comes in can be opened and you can store the other accessories inside. I hope the white paint that McFarlane Toys use on this figure does not tarnish in time and turn into yellow. And for size comparison, here he is with Snake Eyes and Timber, both figures from G.I. Joe Classified series by Hasbro. With Tom Holland's Spider-Man from the No Way Home film by Hasbro, and Duncan or Man-at-Arms from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe cartoon series, Cartoon Collection by Mattel. With Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit, and Voltes 5 from the Voltes 5 anime SMP line of Bandai. And finally, with the other DC animated characters. First off, we have Condiment King and Scarecrow from McFarlane Toys. Then Superman from the Superman animated series, and Batman from the Expression Pack Batman the Animated Series by DC Collectibles. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.